Okay, this video today is about how to 20 boot Debian 10 LXQt alongside 19 operating system in UEFI. Just have to do is double click here, install Debian. So select your language here, click next. Select where you're located here in the world here, click next. Select your keyboard layout and click next. Select here manual partitioning. Click next. On the FAT32 partition here, the SDA1, double click. Then you're going to select here /boot/UEFI. Click OK. The free space here, double click. Then you can select the size of the partition you want to use. I'm gonna use 20 gigabyte, so it's 2480. If you want to encrypt, you select encrypt here. We're gonna use the ext4 file system. Click on mount point here. We're gonna select the mount point here. click OK here. So you have a new partition there. Click next. The computer name can be like Debian or whatever name you want to use. I'm going to pause and create my username and password here. So you're going to create a new partition with 20 GB file system ext4. I'm going to set up the FAT32 partition, the UEFI partition, with the mount point /boot/UEFI, and then just have to click install. It's going to take 28 minutes to finish the installation. So I'm going to pause the video until the installation is finished. Installation is complete. So the next video is going to be how to 21 boot Debian 10 XFCE desktop alongside training operating system in UEFI. So like I said, I find a bug with the Debian, when you multiboot Debian, it doesn't show only the latest one that you installed. So after after doing the installation of the XFCE desktop environment, I will show how to use a command to update the GURB, so you have all the 21 operating system there, including all 7 desktop environment from Debian. If you like this video, please subscribe, give a like, share, and I'll see you in the next video.